चीज है
Assalamu alaikum and welcome to a new video. So you usually see us visit new places, new countries, new restaurants and mostly happy places. Today we want to take you to a Jalous, a place very close to our hearts. This is the annual Muharram Manchester Jalous, one we've been brought up with since we were very little. This Ashura procession is a walk from Platfield Park to the Jafriya Islamic Centre, known as the 404 Imam Barga. So the Islamic year has begun with the holy month of Muharram, which is a month of mourning and grief for us Shia believers. As part of the tradition of listening to Imam Hussain alayhi salam's majlis about what took place in Karbala, we get together to raise awareness of Imam Hussein's message, where we fulfill our duty towards the 7th and 8th Furu'id-Din, Amal bin Maruf and Nahy Anil Munkar, forbidding evil and enjoining the good, the message of Imam Hussain alayhi salam. In the first 10 days of Muharram, the Prophet's grandson, Imam Hussain alayhi salam, was brutally massacred on the plains of Karbala in Iraq, along with his family and his companions, leaving behind a caravan of a few. There are so many lectures and majlises taking place around the world right now where you can find out more about Muharram in detail. Today, we will be showing you our Manchester Jalous, a public expression of solidarity to show love and loyalty to the Prophet's Ahlul Bayt alayhi salam. This is raw footage from the Jalous, and I want you to watch it from our perspective. I want you to understand why we carry an alam or the cot of Baby Ali Asghar or even hand out free water and food. There is a deep meaning and significance behind this. It's not just a regular walk. It's a walk dedicated to Imam Hussain alayhi salam's message. As a third person, a non-Shia or even a Shia who doesn't understand why we commemorate Imam Hussain this way, let's talk about it. Now, when we were little, we were the minority Shia in our community. We also struggle to understand why we commemorate this month by doing matam, wearing black and crying. So it was very hard for us to explain to our friends who were majority Sunni about Muharram as a whole. We were actually bullied for it in school. The young girls were told by the parents not to play with us because we were Shia. And at that time, we didn't know how to understand that and how to deal with that. But the more we grew up and researched, our belief and our iman became more firm. And we are truly grateful to be born in a Shia family. There is nothing to be embarrassed about, especially our Jalous and our very public Matamdari. So, let's talk about Matam, which is an act often misunderstood, especially by people who only see short clips online out of context. For millions of Shia Muslims around the world, it is not an act of extremism or violence, but an expression of grief, love and solidarity with Imam Hussain and the suffering of the Holy Prophet's family at Karbala. Human beings express grief in different ways. Across cultures, people cry, wear black, hold vigil, sing laments, or participate in memorial marches. For many Shia Muslims, Matam is simply our traditional and religious way of mourning, a profound historical tragedy. We see it as Imam Hussain alayhi salam's sacrifice has not been forgotten, and we stand with your message. For us, Matam is not about pain or a spectacle. It is an act of collective remembrance and emotional connection with Imam Hussain alayhi salam's sacrifice. We believe that mourning for Imam Hussain alayhi salam softens the heart, strengthens faith and inspires people to live by the principles for which he gave his life: truth, justice, courage and compassion. Throughout the video, you'll see people distributing niyaz, which is free food and water. Even some of the restaurants in the Curry Mile had their own sabil set up, like Sanam's restaurant. They were handing out rose-flavoured water to the azadar. The large flags you see with the hand shape at the top is called an alam, which signifies Imam Hussain alayhi salam's brother, Hazrat Abbas alayhi salam, the flag bearer. There's actually quite a lot going on, so I'm going to sit back and let you watch. Koda naan. Oh, look what Ons was. Pasta. Any else with pasta di pedenne? Wow. आपने लेने? ले लो. नहीं लेना. अच्छा चलो.
सजाद मुहारी नथ रोवे है तकी के पहरेदारा तूफे दे जाल लोकाने है सिरा तू चादर लाया तुर पैयाने है बादल दामा ज़रा दिया जाया है बादल दामा आ गया अम्मा बदन से नो के नेज़ा तक मेरा सर आ गया अम्मा
पढ़ के जी पढ़ के
आ गया अम्मा बदन से नो के नेज़ा तक मेरा सर आ गया अम्मा बदन से नो के नेज़ा तक मेरा सर आ गया अम्मा बदन से तलाश करते हैं जाने क्यों ने दो सर तलाश करते हैं जाने क्यों ने दो सर तलाश करते हैं अब रुबाब की कादर तलाश करते हैं जाने क्यों ने दो सर तलाश करते हैं जाने क्यों ने रोज़े सर तलाश कर मेरे घर दी हो मेरे घर दी कीमत छोड़ के तुर पैया उजड़िया बेकफन 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 छोड़ के छोड़ के तुर पैया उजड़िया बेकफन छोड़ के छोड़ के तुर पैया उजड़िया बेकफन छोड़ के तुर पैया उजड़िया बेकफन छोड़ के है बाबा जब याद सकीना को तेरी आती है बाबा, 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 सर जिंदा की दीवार रोज़ टकराती है बाबा, जब याद सकीना को तेरी आती है बाबा, जब याद सकीना को तेरी आती है बाबा, जब याद सकीना है बाबा,
This lovely drone footage was taken by our cousin brothers Wasim and Gef, who sent this to us on our first ask. Thank you so much to them. And also a big thanks to our brother-in-law On for getting in the men's area and filming for us.
जब याद सकीना को तेरी आती है बाबा, जब याद सकीना को तेरी आती है बाबा, जब याद.
So a quick fact, Uncle Ijaz Khan here is a Zakir and a well-known Noha reciter. He has travelled all the way from Pakistan to recite this Muharram.
कोई हुक्म नहीं है तेरे हाकम दा, कोई हुक्म नहीं तेरे हाकम दा, परदेसी दी तजवीज़ ओ तू ख्याल रखी मेरे घर दी कीमत चीज़ है, जब तक तेरे सीने से न लगे जाए सकीना, जिंदा में सकीना को लाके करबला ले चल मुझे जाने वाले करबला के करबला ले चल मुझे जाने वाले कलमा को बच गया कलमा को बच गया
1 second, can I have a drink please?
Heather, that's the small one. That's the small one. We are here. We are here.
कलमा को बच गया
Every year, the scale of the Jaloos increases, and we visibly see how big this Jaloos has become. Alhamdulillah for the turnout and the amazing team of volunteers looking after us all, from the Jafariya Islamic Centre and the police who took care of the security of the event. Thank you for watching today's video, and if you found it useful, then please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Allah Hafiz.